Go.
Look at that!
I'm telling you, it's windy.
No! Daddy!
It's okay, bud. Oh, that's my nephew, guys. This is my brother flying the Corsair RC plane. Let's see, he's
Coming!
right there flying. Darn it.
Darn it!
Does it feel good? Is it the wind pushing it at all? Huh? Could I fly it?
Here.
Stall, stall, stall.
Shit, there's another airplane.
That's another airplane. I'm freaking out. It's okay, Rain. I was scared too, but it's okay. He's not gonna hit you.
If we do it, then we'll press it. Roll it.
Yep.
Move split down. Roll it.
Dude, it feels like it's going a lot faster than on the freaking computer. I'm gonna land it.
Huh?
I'm gonna land it.
Can you land it? Dad, can you please land it?
Get in the grass, bud.
No, because if you do it, then it'll crash me. Now, please land it for Jake. Please land it for Jake.
Dude, this wind is killing me.
Good. Please do it, Jake. Wow, that was close. Don't do that again.
It's okay, bud.
Here. Can we just go outside? On the street.
Rain, I'm flying it. Chill. Go inside.
I'm going to put it on.
Oh, crap. Lost it. Oh, there it is. Are you gonna land it?
Hammerhead.
Hammerhead. Holy shit.
Oh, Danny.
Scare you?
You're scaring me.
Ryan, land it.
Huh?
Land it.
Yeah, I told you land.
Come around and land it.
Why? Then you can't fly it.
Huh?
Then you can't fly it.
Yeah, take it off and then I'll fly it.
You're laying in the grass or the concrete?
Huh?
Grass or the concrete?
Whatever you think's best. Do you think the wheels could take the grass?
Please land it, Dad.
Are you gonna land it against the wind or what? It's okay.
What?
He is. Oh! Oh! Fuck! Tango down! Oh no, that's nothing bad. I'm still videotaping this. Crash landing, not the best.
Don't touch it, Rain. Watch out.
Oh.
Dude, cut in the grass. Quick. Hey, back. Well, that's it, guys.